Hi friends, Suzanne here with a new mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. I started this one-day local retreat back in 2019 and was finally able to open registrations for this fall of 2021, with more planned for the new year. So if you're local, I'd love to have you join in. Registrations will be on my blog, sunstampin.com. I asked a friend and fellow demonstrator, Terry, from carddesignsbyterry.com to help me with the event. We split the work, the costs, and brought together our local crafters for a first-class event. In this series, I'm sharing a dozen card designs we created for the make and takes at the event. Fair warning, some products are from the last celebration, so if you are looking to recreate, you may have to substitute. Okay, here we are with card number 7 of the Crafting at the Lake House series. I am featuring the Merry Snowflake bundle. That is the Mini Snowflake stamp set and the Stitch Snowflake dies on special, 10% off for $67.50. And then I'm using my most favorite stamp set for sentiments out of the mini catalog called Heartfelt Wishes. So I have those dies here and a little bit of Pool Party, and I'm using my mini Stampin' Cut and machine. It's lovely just having this on my table when I need it, and it works perfectly. I quite enjoy it. So this is my non-porous surface. This is a laminated grid sheet from the Stamparatus, and I'm using it as a sort of an inking mat, if you will. So I'm able to create and craft without having the worry that I'm going to smudge my ink everywhere. It sort of stays contained. I can wipe it off with a baby wipe and set it aside and move on to my next section here, which is I'm using that Heartfelt Wishes stamp set. I've inked up with StaysOn ink, and I'm using just a basic white strip here. Somebody asked me why I used StaysOn ink, and it's because I absolutely love the deep black impression. This is great. The ink is great on red rubber stamps. I would caution, if you're going to use it on photopolymer, you would want to be very cautious with that because it will stain your stamps. People don't necessarily like staining their stamps because they want resale. Anyway, I do clean my red rubber stamps straight away after I use them when I use them with StaysOn ink. So I have 2 ink colors here. I have Pool Party and I have Bermuda Bay, and I am adjusting like this snowflake, I just use Bermuda Bay. This snowflake, I just use Bermuda Bay. I'm washing them with a baby wipe or a stamp chamois or whatever you have. You can just quickly transfer from a clean stamp or a dirty stamp to a clean stamp. And here I have my dauber, and I am trying to make these snowflakes a little different. There is 3 snowflakes in the bundle, and if you color them differently, they look like different snowflakes. How about that? So that's what I'm doing with my dauber here. I can get a 2-tone stamp by just one stamping. So it's probably another one of my favorite techniques that I like to do. Anyway, just finishing up here and with my Pool Party, and then I will put my dauber and dip it into that Bermuda Bay and color the center of that snowflake. And you can see how lovely it is having a non-porous surface to stamp on because I just removed it, and I can wipe it down with a baby wipe or something, and I don't have to craft on a dirty or wet surface. So before I put this on its Pool Party mat, I'm going to take a little strip of 1-inch vellum and fold it around my page. So, and then I remove some bulk because I don't want, I've already just put some adhesive down, so I don't want too much bulk on the back. And then I put this to my Pool Party cardstock, And then I'm going to adhere the whole kit and caboodle to my Bermuda Bay cardstock. These are two colors that I think go really well together, and I do enjoy them for that cool kind of Christmas vibe. I'm not a real red or green girl when it comes to Christmas. I do like these non-traditional colors like pink and mint green and cool colors for the holiday season. So I'm just going to fold my card now, and then I'm going to put my embellishments on top. So I'm using Tombow multi-purpose glue here, and I'm putting that on my sentiment. And I don't want to make it, I'm hoping that none of the glue sort of squishes out. So I am being cautious on my pressure here and how much I actually put on. Then I'm going to attach my snowflake, and again, just dotting the multi-purpose glue. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I don't like this multi-purpose glue when it's exposed to air and it doesn't have anything, that it's trying to stick to. It will just remain repositionable, or if you can read between the lines, that means sticky. So you don't want to accidentally stick your card to the envelope. The person who's receiving it would be quite upset that they can't get their Christmas card out. I put a mini dimensional on the back of this particular snowflake, and I have used pearls. Don't forget about your pearls. They're lovely. Normally I would use my take your pick tool, but I don't know where it was at that point, so I'm just using my scissors, and I used the pearl for the tittle on the eye and the center of the snowflakes. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the See More section of this video or in the supplies section of my blog. Those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store. I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.